Today, we are talking about something that affects almost 38% of people globally. It's non alcoholic fatty liver or NAFLD for short. Now, before you click away thinking this sounds scary, here is the good news. Unlike any other health condition, non alcoholic fatty liver can be reversed through simple lifestyle changes. Yes, you heard that right. No expensive medications, no complicated procedures. Just 5 powerful changes that you can start making today itself. So, if you have been told that you have fatty liver or you are worried about your liver health, then stick around because by the end of this video, you will have a clear action plan backed by the latest scientific research. So, without wasting any time, let's get into it. Hi, I'm Aditi. I'm certified in food and nutrition and currently pursuing masters in nutrition science. My goal, well, it is to make people believe that health should be their topmost priority, which can be achieved through simple lifestyle changes in order to ensure overall wellness. Here is the first and the most powerful thing that you can do for your liver health. That is losing at least 7 to 10% of your current body fat. Now, I know losing fat is kind of overwhelming, but hear me out. A 2025 study published that losing even just 5% of your body fat can significantly improve your liver health. Superb, right? When you lose excess body weight, especially belly fat, your body becomes more sensitive towards insulin. This means that your liver will not have to store as much fat and the existing fat can be broken down and released into the bloodstream to be used as a source of energy. But remember, don't lose it all at once. Aim for 1 to 2 pounds every single week and then increase your intensity gradually. This is a sustainable and healthy way to lose excess body fat, and it will also give your liver some time to heal itself progressively. Here is something that is incredible. If you are doing exercise on a regular basis, then you can actually enhance the process of reversing your fatty liver. All you need to do is 150 minutes of daily physical activity per week, which is doing 30 minutes of exercise 5 days in a single week. You can do brisk walking, swimming, cycling, dancing, or you can also do some yogas. Just do anything that gets your heart rate up. When you do exercise, your muscles need energy, and so your body starts pulling glucose and fat from your bloodstream, and it also includes fat which is there inside your liver. Over time, your liver becomes fat burning machine instead of a fat storing organ. In this way, you can easily burn all the excess fat which is there inside your liver by just doing exercise on a regular basis. You can start by walking at least 10 minutes after having your meals because, as we all know, the real key is consistency, not intensity. Now, let's talk about food. And trust me, this is not about starvation. Many 2024 studies have confirmed that the Mediterranean diet is the most effective eating pattern for reversing non-alcoholic fatty liver. This is not just some another trendy or a fad diet. It's been studied for decades. So, the Mediterranean diet mainly focuses on a lot of healthy fruits and vegetables, healthy fats, fatty fish, moderate amount of eggs, whole grains, legumes, nuts and seeds. It also focuses on minimizing foods like refined sugars, especially sugary drinks, red meats in excess amount, processed junk foods, and trans fat, which includes excess saturated fats. This diet is rich in antioxidants as well as anti inflammatory compounds. Remember, non alcoholic fatty liver can occur due to both inflammation and oxidative stress. And so, the Mediterranean diet directly combats both of these problems, which will eventually help you in reversing your non alcoholic fatty liver disease. This one surprises most of the people, but it's backed by many research papers, which says that poor sleep is directly linked with worse outcomes of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. So, when you don't get enough sleep or your sleep quality is very poor, then several bad things happen inside your body. For example, it will become less sensitive towards insulin. Your liver's ability to process fat will become impaired, and inflammation will gradually increase inside your body. All these conditions can worsen your liver health, and it can also lead to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. So, your sleep action plan should be: aim for at least 7 hours of sleep every single night. Try to keep your bedtime schedule consistent even at weekends. Keep your bedroom dark and cool. Avoid screen 2 hours before going to bed. And the most important one, try to limit your caffeine intake after 2 pm because it can affect your sleep quality, eventually your liver health. Think of sleep as the time when your liver does its repair work. While you're sleeping, your liver is actively processing all the nutrients, regenerating all of your cells, and removing all the toxins away from your body. So, sleep is extremely important for your liver health, and don't ignore it. Our final lifestyle change is the most overlooked one, which is stress management. Chronic stress can trigger the release of cortisol, which is a hormone that can promote fat storage, especially inside our liver. But wait, it can do more harm than that. Chronic stress can actually increase inflammation throughout the whole body. It can promote fat accumulation inside the liver cells, and it can often lead to stress eating and poor food choices. All of these things can literally ruin your entire liver health, which can directly lead to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. So, how can you actually manage your stress levels? Well, it's simple. You can practice meditation and deep breathing exercises for at least 15 minutes on a daily basis. You can also go for a brief walk in the nature for like 30 minutes. You can try journaling, some yogas, and gentle stretching for your body. You can also try to connect with your friends and families regularly. You can engage in hobbies that you actually enjoy doing, and try to set some boundaries with your work if you want to control your stress levels in your personal life. Recent research shows that even simple stress management techniques, if practiced with proper consistency and discipline, can improve your metabolic health markers that are related to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, which is of course pretty amazing for your liver health. Here is what makes those 5 lifestyle changes so powerful. They all work together in synergy. When you eat better, you have more energy. When you have more energy, then you can do exercise regularly. When you do exercise, you sleep better. When you sleep better, you can manage your stress more effectively. And when you can manage your stress, you can make better food choices. See the pattern? The key is to start small. Don't try to implement all of those changes all together tomorrow itself. Pick one or two change that is manageable and doable for you. Try to make that change as your daily habit for few weeks and then add another change. It's that simple. Remember, your liver is an incredibly resilient organ and it has an amazing ability to heal and regenerate itself when you provide it with the right conditions. Non-alcoholic fatty liver is no doubt serious, but it is one of the most reversible chronic conditions that we know of. The power to heal your liver is in your hands, or should I say, is in your daily lifestyle choices. Do let me know in the comment section, out of those lifestyle changes, which of them are you going to try today itself in order to keep your liver healthy. And if you found this video useful, then do like this video and share it with your friends and family so that they can also keep their liver, one of the most important organ, healthy throughout their whole life. If you want more such videos, then do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to be updated. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, peace out and remember, win less over everything. Thanks for watching.